Hi everyone, Yummy Sweets Bakery here. So there is nothing ever wrong with brownie box mix. Okay, it's gonna be good regardless, in my opinion. So of course I chose the cookie brownie, so you can call it the bricky. But this is like one of my favorites. I haven't tried it from scratch yet, but I'm definitely gonna try it from scratch. Here are the results. Mmm.